Hello guys, nandito tayo ngayon guys. Panoorin natin si boss guys maglalaro ng tennis guys. Nag-i-exercise siya guys. Yan. Panoorin natin guys. Yan. Samahan nyo guys. Panoorin natin yung laro nila exercise. Tennis guys. Dito tayo ngayon guys sa Sport Complex sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Yan. Yan, dalawa kalaban guys. Dalawa kalaban. Yan. Dalawa yan guys, dalawahan guys, dalawa kalaban guys. Yan. Ayan guys, so yan. 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 Yan guys, mga ano ito guys, mga member yan dito guys, ano guys, sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Mga member yan dito yung mga naglalaro guys. Exercise lang sila guys yan. Mga member yan dito sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Dito sila guys sa ano guys. Kumpleto dito guys, yung may mga bowling guys, may boxing, may kumpleto dito guys, may swimming. Yan. Dito guys sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Yan. Panoorin natin guys, nag-exercise sila guys. Yan. 82 years old na to guys. Ayan guys, yan. Panoorin natin guys paano sila pamalo ng bola guys. Yan. Yan. Yan guys. Yan. Yan guys, yan guys, si boss yan guys. Si Norman, boss Norman. Yan guys. Good morning. Yan guys. Panoorin natin guys kung paano sila pumalo ng bola guys. Exercise lang nila yan guys. Mga member yan dito sa sport club guys. Yan. Yan guys. Dito yan guys sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Yan guys, mga member yan dito guys sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Ito guys, ito yung bata guys, tinitraining to guys. Tinitraining sa pagtitinis guys. Yan. Tinuturuan magtinis. Yan. Yan guys. Tinitraining yan guys. Tinitraining yung pagtitinis yung bata. Yan. Tinitraining yan guys. Yan. Yan dito guys, sa labas na to guys, sa labas ng court guys. Yan. Walang bubong guys, mainit yan. Good morning. Yan. Yan dito yan guys, tinis ano guys. Ibang tinis ay parang ano, parang ibang laro to guys. Dito lang yan sa Quezon City Sport Club guys. Yan, exercise. Mga member yan dito guys. Yan. Good morning, good morning. Yan, guys, mga ayan guys, tinuturuan yan guys naman guys. Ito guys, may isa pa natin trainer dito guys sa likod guys. So, ito, si Jimmy guys. Yan. Yan. Yan, trainer yan guys. Ito may trainer sa baba. Tinitraining yung bata guys yan. Tinuturuan paano pumalo ng bola, paano humawak ng raketa. Ayan guys. Ayan. Basic lang guys, basic yan. Paano humawak ng raketa, paano pumalo. Tinuturuan guys ng basic guys sa tennis guys kung paano maglaro ng tennis, pumalo ng bola. Yan. Tinuturuan ng basic guys. Yan. Ayan guys. Oh. Kusmugo daw, kusmugo. Yan guys, tinuturuan ng basic yan guys ni Coach Mogo guys yan. Ano natin guys, okay. Bye bye, thank you for watching, bye bye.